Hello, today I'll be making multi-bean soup. So I mixed all kinds of agreements in here and I soaked them for 4 or 5 hours or so in the water. And then I blended some veggies, onion, garlic, pepper, celery sticks, carrots, and all that. And then I have some homemade tomato sauce. And I'll be making the agrumes soup, which is super healthy. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit. I'm going to strain the broth because it might have like little bones and stuff. So the end result, super delicious and smells amazing. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit.